Hello, good evening. Sob ke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kore ase. Notun thakse kole subscribe aro share kor diwi. Ajila first update ase Rising People Party RPP2 state government ke appeal kora ase COVID-19 effect mite NPSC exam te age relaxation kurbole. Rising People's Party statement since COVID-19 pandemic ulagina Nagaland Public Service Commission aro Combined Technical Service Examination to conduct no kurgena ahi jaise itu karni RPP2 age relaxation to aspiration candidate khan ke thakibole request kura ase. RPP statement by chance candidate to 2020 te hi tala last exam hobole thakile itu khan to relaxation thaki exam to dibole lake koi dise. Next ase aro ekbar football interested khan ke remind kura ase Department of Youth Resource and Sport to virtual football skill competition organized kura ase both boys and girls 75 years of India Independence Limited. Youth Resource and Sport Director press release te kwa hasab to YRS2 online virtual competition organized kura ase talented footballers aro freestylers khan skill show kurbole limited. Tuita Tiotokuri both girls and boys winner khan to 10,000 ever dibole jona ase second runner up bra 7,000 third runner up bra 5,000 alak ever khan to YouTube te highest view aro youngest participant 1,000 each dibole kwa ase competition video to submit suro jase aro August 10 tak thakibole kwa ase itu competition te participate kurbo koile video trick skill to dyrs virtual@gmail.com na hole pi WhatsApp number 9916580774 नाम H आरो contact detail to pathabole ko ase. Spend to Nagaland State hi hobo aro video duration 2 minute to Department of Youth Resource and Sports Nagaland channel te upload kurbole ko ase. Result to football coach board khanbra technique execution skill accuracy trick aro creativity hasab de judge kurgena 15 August te declare kurbole department inform kura hasab sobke share kur de ase. Family te নহলে পে আপনি খানলা friends মাচেতে interested থাকছে কইলে খবর ইটু পঞ্চা দিগিনা skill technique to show কুরি participate লবলে দিবি কইনা খবরতে এড করি দে আছে Next আছে Faith Hospital Dimapurte Ajibra to Sputnik V vaccine to surkuloshe koina khobor pa ase Khoborte Faith Hospital Dimapur administration to Russian made Sputnik V vaccine July 19 receive kurla Ajibra surkuri diche Faith Hospital PRO Dr. Tungpemo Midyate confirm kura hasab to 18 years and above Sputnik V vaccine to first come first base hobo koi dishe Khoborte itu registration process to Covidshield Nishna app portal bra registration na kurbo holepi marbole ahadam te other aru contact digina vaccine to marbole parbo koina khobor pa hasab jonai de ase next ase country te petrol diesel aru essential commodities la dam bishi uthan mite Nagaland Pradesh Congress to dinte alak style bra protest campaign to rakha ase Report hasab to Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee cycle yantra khan to placard sticker banner logine protest to rakha ase To main objective to essential commodities aro petrol diesel price state te 100 upor hojan mite Prime Minister Modi lead government ke committee kurbole slogan to hala kuri protest campaign to rakha ase Next ase Arunachal Pradesh jelte dangor escape thakse koina khobor pa ase sam laga bat khabole tamte Resab to Jakali Sunday some 6:30 PM phale bat khabole thakya tamte jelte thakya phasikat te 7 jon to guard khan ke chili powder aro peppers powder khan bra ete kurgena pola jaise koina khobor te ko ase Attack te head constable to dangor injured kuri dishe aro ala khan to rukhai thakya tamte jokhum kuri dishe koina official khobor pa ase Phasikat police aro IRB personnel khan to exit point sob ban kurgena search operation to rakha ase Deputy Superintendent Phasikat ko asab to 7 jon jail bra pola khan to joldi arrest kur lobo koina release kuri dishe Next ase Assam Opposition Legislative Assembly khan to stage protest rakha ase democracy safe nimite Report hasab to aji Assam Legislative Assembly Opposition to slogan protest rakha ase safe democracy them logina Itu protest to recently Assam Chief Minister remark nimite ase koi dishe Opposition Party Congress aro AIUDF lead kurgena protest to rakha ase Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma bra recently meeting te remark kur dia nimite Sivasagar MLA Gogoi ko ase Assam Chief Minister to nonsense kotha ko ase kile Chief Minister to matured kotha koina democracy aro constitution to respect kurbole lake koi dishe Recently Assam Chief Minister ke koi dishe koile MLA khan to confirm hi ase law farming kurbole aro itu to minister la duty ase implement kurbole Sharma statement te kiman deri tai Chief Minister thakibo Assam state te government khan sob DC SP khan to MLA na huina minister khan la kotha to mangbole lake koi dishe itu nimite MLA khan to slogan protest to rakha ase Next ase lightning strike bra Rajasthan te 18 June murai dishe koina khobor pa ase alak incident te Report hesab tu Jopur, Kota, Jolawar aro Dolapur district Rajasthan te ja kali Sunday te alak incident te 18 jon murai dishe aro alak 21 jon bacha khan pi 6 jon milai gina jokhum ho jaise. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot grief experts koi dishe lightning strike pra pasta district te murai da tu unfortunate incident ase kuina. Next ase Tripura government brass te 138 delta covid variant ulaise kuina claim kuri thakya te central tu itu tu fake ase kuina release kuri dishe. Central statement hesab tu itatak te delta plus variant Tripura state te ula nai ko ase Tripura government tu 138 delta plus variant state te dictate ho jaise koina claim kuri thakya te. Tripura government press list te state 152 sample kali kurina West Bengal te pathai dia tu 138 ulaise koina release kuri dishe holepi Union Health Minister confirm kura hesab tu itu tu misha ase koi dishe. Tripura COVID-19 nodal officer statement hesab te itu issue tu higher authority kan ke uthai lobo koina update kuri dia khobor te share kuri dia ase. Aro ajila update yate bara khotom kura ase sob manu take care stay safe.